What do we got here? 26-degree coolant temp. To start the cold with the e85. I haven't messed with the tune yet. I'm trying to run that e85 out of it. Got to get my new hoosers off this thing. What the fuck that is? I think it's PB Blaster or something on my brand new rim. Bone stock, Gen 3, 4.8, paper head gaskets, GS Racing, Gen 2.5, 7875, billet wheel, homemade hot side. Everything's built here at the house. I don't even have a garage. It's all built in a Harbor Freight tank. I don't know what it runs. Quarter-mile times or anything. I have a draggy, and with the old turbo, which was an eBay CT45, the best I got was a, I'd have to look at the draggy, I think it was a 1115 at 126. That was before it had a trans brake. That was just me. I had the two-step hooked up off the brake light switch, so I hit the brakes and foot brake it, and I had it built like 3 or 4 pounds, and that's how I was taking off. I actually have video of it somewhere, but yeah, I gotta get it back out and get it running this year and see what it does. It's got a 9 seconds in it. It's got a 9-second pass all day long. With the setup and the weight of the car, it should bust off some 8s, some high 8s, very easily. But the car's never been tuned. You know, it's all tuned by me, and I'm not too, but this is the first EFI car I ever had. So, it's somewhat new to me. Obviously, I got pretty good at it. I mean, I got it running and everything. But you gotta work with the cold start a little bit. drops fuel pressure after like 10 pounds of boost, so I'm still running the factory intake and the rails and everything. So my problem's in them stock rails where the stock feed and return goes. So I need to get an aftermarket set of rails so I can run the fuel system like it needs to be. Because with two 450s, that's plenty of fuel for 20 pounds. The most I've ran is, I think the last time I ran it was cold out. I hit 19.6 pounds. It's got onboard air. I wired up for the boost control using two 3-port Max. There's my compressor and tank. Everything runs up to the waste, or runs up to the Mac valves. I got this air hose right here hooked up to a T with a ball valve. That way if I want to pump up tires or something, I can. But I actually wired in a heater too. Got a Summit heater wired up. It's actually, it switches right here. I don't have the vents hooked up. It just kind of blows from behind the dash, but it does come out the vents. Like right now, it's warm. Enough to keep you warm anyway. You can see it up underneath there. It's just a heater. Actually, it's from Jegs. It's got 2 ports in the front of it that you can hook ducting to or whatever. I do have the defrost kit. I just never wired it or never plumbed it all up yet. I gotta get around to all that. But yeah, I mean, it works the way it is. It keeps the windows default and everything. That was my main thing. Driving it when it's cold out here in PA. The damn windows get clogged up. It kind of sucks. But this is the first time it's been running in probably about a week. Prior to that, it's set for probably almost 2 months, and the last time I tried to start it, the battery was dead, and I put another battery in it, and it lost a tune for some reason. I had to plug the laptop in and put the tune back into the Holley. I don't know what's up with that. I did just rewire the whole car right before it got really cold. Some of the wiring up underneath there, but I redid everything and made it all a lot nicer than it was originally. But yep, there she is.